Hi, welcome to Smart Learning Channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பயாலஜியில் 3rd சாப்டர் பார்ட் 2 algae. Algae introduction பார்ப்போம் இன்னைக்கு. Algae are chlorophyll bearing simple thalloid autotrophic, largely aquatic, both freshwater and marine water organism. They occur in a variety of other habitat, moist stone, soil, wood. Some of them also occur in association with fungi, lichen, and with animals. Example on sloth bear. The form and size of algae highly variable. Colonical form Volvox, filamentous form Ulothrix and Spirogyra. A few of marine forms such as kelps form massive plant bodies and their bodies வந்து bulk இருக்கும். Then reproduction. 3 type of reproduction in algae: vegetative, asexual and sexual. First, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Each fragment develop into thallus. Asexual reproduction by production of a different type of spores, the most common being the zoospore. They are flagellated, motile, and on germination rise to new plant. Sexual reproduction by fusion of two gametes, isogametes. Isogametes means same, okay. Gametes can be flagellated and similar in size. Example Ulothrix. Or non-flagellated, non-motile but similar in size as in Spirogyra. Flagellated example Ulothrix, non-flagellated Spirogyra. Then anisogametes. Two gametes are dissimilar in size. Eudorinia example. Oogametes means a large non-motile female gamete plus smaller motile male gamete. Example Volvox and Fucus. இந்த காம்பினேஷனை எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறதுனா ஊகேமஸ்னா மிகப்பெரிய பல்காக இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். பல்காக இருக்கிற ஃபீமேல் லார்ஜாக இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்களால ஈஸியாக மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ திஸ் நான்-மொட்டைல், லார்ஜ் நான்-மொட்டைல் ஃபீமேல் ப்ளஸ் அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் அப்படி மேல் கேமெட் மொட்டைல் ஸ்மாலர். ஓகே, அட்லீஸ்ட் half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on earth by photosynthesis. They increase the level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. They are of paramount importance as primary producer of energy rich compound which form the basis of food cycle of all aquatic animals. Many species of Pyrogyra, Laminaria and Sargassum are among the 70 pieces of marine algae used as a food. Porphyra, Laminaria, Sargassum எல்லாம் food use ஆகுது. Brown and red algae produce large amount of hydrocolloids. Hydrocolloids means water holding substances. Example algain, brown algae, and carrageen, red algae, which are used commercially. To produce ice cream and jellies, to grow microbes, agar obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. For space traveler, chlorella, a unicellular algae rich in protein, as a food supplement. Okay, this is the introduction. Then classification of algae. Algae classified into 3 types: Chlorophyceae, Pophyceae, Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae na green algae. Chlorophyll ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Chloro means chlorophyll. Chlorophyll containing product எல்லாமே greenish-ஆ இருக்கும். ஸோ green algae. Pophyceae brown algae. Rhodophyceae red algae. இதனுடைய செல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பார்ப்போம். Chlorophyceae unicellular, colonical and filamentous-ஆ இருக்கும். Pophyceae found primarily in marine habitat. Great variation, they range from simple branch filamentous form Ictocarbus to profusely branched form kelps. Grow up to 100 meter வரைக்கும் வளரும். Then Rhodophyceae, majority of are marine and found in warm areas. They occur in both well tighted area close to surface of water, little light region, depth in ocean. கடலோட அடியிலையும் இருக்கும், கடலோட டெப்த்லையும் இருக்கும், கடலோட மேல் மட்டத்துலையும் இருக்கும். Then pigments. Chlorophyceae chlorophyll A and B. The pigments are localized in definite chloroplast. May be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral or ribbon-shaped. எல்லா ஷேப்லையும் இருக்கும். Chlorophyll A and B. Then Pophyceae chlorophyll A and C. Carotenoids and xanthophylls இருக்கும். Colors olive green to brown depending on amount of xanthophylls and fucus are present in. Then Rhodophyceae, predominant of red pigment, chlorophyll A and D, or phycoerythrin in their body. Chlorophyceae chlorophyll A and B, Pophyceae chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids and xanthophylls. Rhodophyceae chlorophyll A and D, or phycoerythrin. First இது வந்து எல்லாத்துலேயுமே A இருக்கும். குளோரோஃபில் ஏ வந்து எல்லாத்துலேயுமே இருக்கும், ஏ. தென் இதுக்கு ஏ பி, இதுக்கு சி, இதுக்கு டி. குளோரோஃபில் ஏ வந்து எல்லாத்துலேயுமே இருக்கும், பி வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதுக்கு, சி நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டி. இந்த மாதிரி ஆல்பபெட்டில் போட்டுக்கினேன்னா ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். தென் ஸ்டோர்டு ஃபுட் in the form of oil tablet. Storage bodies pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. Pyrenoids contain protein besides starch. So oil tablet and starch, pyrenoids ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Poaceae stored as complex carbohydrate in the form of laminarin or mannitol. Rhodophyceae the food is stored as Floridian starch, which is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. Amylopectin glycogen structure மாதிரியே இருக்கும் Floridian starch. Then cell wall. Chlorophyceae rigid cell wall made up of an inner layer cellulose, outer layer pectose. Poaceae vegetative cell have celluloid wall covered on outside by gelatinous coating of algin. The protoplast contain plastide, a centrally located vacuoles and nucleus. The plant body is attached to the substratum by the holdfast and has a stalk, the strip, and a leaf-like photosynthetic organ, the front. Rhodophyceae, the red thalli of most of the algae are multicellular. Some of them have complex body organism. Then reproduction have three types: vegetative, asexual, and sexual. First, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. For all three algae में fragmentation था, by fragmentation. Then asexual reproduction in Chlorophyceae के flagellated zoospore produced in zoosporangia. In Poaceae by biflagellated zoospore that are pear-shaped and have two unequal lateral attached flagella. இதில் flagellated zoospore, இதில் biflagellated zoospore, by non-motile spore for Rhodophyceae. Sexual reproduction in Chlorophyceae, these shows considerable variation in the type and formation of sex cell, and it may be isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous. இந்த மூணுலையுமே இருக்கலாம். For Poaceae, it may be isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous. Union of gametes may take place in water or within oogonium, oogamous species. The gametes are pyriform, pear-shaped, and bear two lateral attached flagella. For Rhodophyceae by non-motile gamete, sexual reproduction is oogamous and accompanied by complex post-fertilization development. Chlorophyceae के example Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra and Chara. Poaceae के example Ictocorbus, Tictiota, Laminaria, Sargassum and Fucus. Rhodophyceae के Polysiponia, Porphyra, Gracilaria and Gelidium. And flagellar number and position of insertion. Chlorophyceae 2 and 8 equal apical. For Poaceae 2 unequal lateral. Rhodophyceae absent. Habitat fresh water and brackish water, salt water for Chlorophyceae. Poaceae fresh water rare and brackish water and salt water. For Rhodophyceae, some of this fresh water, brackish water, salt water, most of them salt water. So algae chapter finish. Okay.